So here's what just happened. We're here at my grandparents' house, and these two branches were connected, and they were up there, about right there or something, yeah. And they were like connected to the tree, but like lightning had struck it or something, and it was just sitting there, kind of broken, hanging there like a broken toothpick. So we were like, oh, we gotta bring this down. So I tied a rope to the tree, and I pulled on it, and I pulled on it, and then it came down. And what happened was it swung down, and the edge of it, the tip, hit right there on that broken concrete block. Right there, yeah. And then the rest of it fell like right there on the house, right in that dent, and it slid down, leaving some skid marks. Yeah, and now it's here. So, good news is that we brought down that dead tree limb, and I got to get some man cards because, you know, that was really cool. I brought this all down, and I brought down the roof. The bad news is that I brought down the roof right there. So, yeah. Moral of the story, hire professionals. Or get home insurance or something. Say hi, Jack.